Hello and welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. This is another video to demonstrate how to create link in our web page. As you know, website is a collection of web page. How it is possible to make a collection of web pages? Today we will discuss how to create a website by linking its respective web pages. For this purpose, HTML uses link. Link is an object which is used to combine different web pages to create a website. In HTML, there are different types of link like internal link, external link, and email link. In HTML, a tag used to create link is known as anchor tag. Anchor tag is a container tag which is used to create link in our web page. This tag denoted by alphabet A within the angle bracket. There are different attributes used with anchor tag which is help us to create our link and manage it properly. The different attributes used with anchor tag is as follows. First, href. Href stands for hyperreference. This attribute used with anchor tag to provide the reference of file which we want to link. We can link HTML web page, image file, audio file, video file, etc. as an hyperreference. The another attribute used with anchor tag is known as name attribute. The name attribute is basically used to create section in our web page. The name attribute basically used in internal linking. The next attribute used with anchor tag is known as title attribute. This title attribute uses a constant string as an attribute value. This value treats as a displayed name during the execution of program while moving cursor on the link text. It is used to uniquely identify the different types of link. The next attribute used with anchor tag is known as target. Target is used to provide the location where we want to display our link. Like we can use a blank web page, a section or frame to display our linked item. Now we will see the example of anchor tag with its all attributes. Here within the angle bracket, anchor tag has been used with href, title and target. Href stands for hyperreference which uses a.jpg. Here we want to create a link by linking an image file because the jpg extension comes with an image file. The title of this link is image link and the text which we can use to click our link is click. While executing this page, the text link click will displayed on the web page. When we move the cursor on this text, our text cursor becomes in a palm structure and the word click will displayed underlined in blue color. It means it denotes the text click is a hyperlink, and when we will click the text it will display the image a.jpg. Now we will discuss how to create external link or internal link. External link is basically used to link different external files. These files can be image file, web page or etc. For this we can use anchor tag with hyperreference attribute. Here a.jpg is external file which hold the title image and the target of this hyperreference is blank. It means it will display the image in a new tab. After closing the closing bracket, we will writing a text click. It means it will open the link by clicking on the text click. This is the full syntax of external linking. Here we have to ensure there should be two different files which we are going to link. The first file will be an HTML file and the another file which can be image file, text file or a web page. In an internal link, we can link different section of a same file as a section link. In this method, we have to use only single web page which contain different paragraph as a section. For this, internal link uses anchor tag two times. First time it uses anchor tag with hyperreference and next time it uses anchor tag with name attribute. The hyperreference contain a hash symbol with section name which displays that this link is an internal link, and the section name is user defined which we can initiate in a web page by anchor tag with name attribute. In the below example, we can see anchor tag hyperreference is equal to hash image. It means hash denotes the section image is beneath a web page. The next time we can use the anchor tag with name is equal to image tag, and after that I am inserting img src. It means when we click on the text internal link click, it will display an image in another window as an section link. Thanks for now.